Hello students, myself Dange Pratibha Nanasai from Kekewa College Sanduri. Today we are learning about the structure of editor from the editor's chapters. Before we are going to move to see structure of editor. Firstly we see what is editor. A editor is a text editor, a tool that allows a user to create and revise documents in a computer. There are lots of the types of editors are there. First one is the line editors, second stream editors, third screen editors, fourth word processor, and fifth one is a structure editors. Now the main point of this video is a editor structure. See in the figure you can properly see the what will be the typical editor structure. See, most text editors have most text editors have a structure similar to that shown in the following figure. Command language processor accepts commands, uses semantic routines, performs functions such as editing and viewing. The semantic routines involve traveling, editing, viewing, and display functions. See, in the figure you can see there is a editing component, traveling component, viewing component, display component. Editing component it connected to the editing buffer and uh, which is also connected to the main memory, and traveling components it directly related to editor filter. Then viewing component is related to the viewing buffer and that is related with the viewing filter. Last one is the display components that also related with the viewing buffer and that viewing buffer is related with the viewing filter. This editing filter and viewing filter both are in the main memories and main memory is in the file system. See there are lots of the output devices are there in the display components. See dotted lines displays control and solid line displays the data. Now editing operations are specified explicitly by the user and display operations are specified implicitly by the editor. Traveling and viewing operations may be invoked either explicitly by the user or implicitly by the editing operations. In editing a document, the start of the area to be edited is determined by the current editing pointer maintained by the editing component. Editing component is a collection of modules dealing with editing tasks. Current editing pointer can be set or reset due to next paragraph, next screen, cut paragraph, paste paragraph, etc. When editing command is issued, editing components involves the editing filters, generates a new editing buffer, contains a part of the component to be edited from current editing pointer. Next one is the filtering and editing may be interleaved with no explicit editor buffer being created. In viewing a document, the start of the area to be viewed is determined by the current viewing pointer maintained by the viewing component. Viewing component is a collection of modules responsible for determining the next view. Current viewing pointer can be set or reset as a result of previous editing operations. When display needs to be updated, viewing component invokes the viewing filter, generates a new viewing buffer, contains a part of document to be viewed from current viewing pointer. In case of line editors, viewing buffer may contain the current line. Screen editors, viewing buffer contains a rectangular cutout of the quarter plan of the text. Viewing buffer is then passed to the display component of the editor, which produces a display by mapping the buffer to a rectangular subset of the screen called a window. The editing and viewing buffers may be identical or may be completely disjoint. Identical means users edits the text directly on the screen and disjoint means find and replace. For example, there are 150 lines of text uses in the 100th line decides to change all occurrences of text editor with the editor. The editing and viewing buffers can also be partially overlap or one may be completely contains in the other. Windows typically cover entire screen or rectangular portion of it may shows different portions of the same file or portions in different file. Interfile editing operations are possible. The components of the editor deals with a user document on two levels, in the main memory and in the disk file system. Loading an entire document into main memory may be infeasible. Only part is loaded. Demand paging is uses editor paging routines. Documents may not be sorted sorry Documents may not be stored sequentially as a string of characters. Uses separate editor data structures that allows addition deletion and modification with a minimum of IO and character movement. Again, you can go through the figure. You can see all the components of the editor. Inputs is given to the command language processor, and command language processor are of different types: editing, traveling, viewing, display. Display gives your output devices, and all these components are related with the editing buffer and viewing buffer, and again that are connected with the filters, and filters are in the main memory. In this way, there is a structure of editor which we have seen in the in this video. Thank you very much and best of luck for your study.